Hey cuties, are you ready to visualize the life of your dreams and turn it into reality? Visualizing your dream life is now incredibly easy. We've carefully selected visuals for your vision board under specific concepts and turned them into videos. All you need to do is open the video without the hassle of searching for those perfect images. Close your eyes or focus on the screen. There you are, right in the midst of everything you truly desire. Every frame features you. Every moment is from your life. That shining, strong, successful person in those photos is you. These videos are not just a viewing experience. They are an emotional feast you'll experience every day. Whenever you want, open the video for the concept you desire and feel that emotion to your core. Wake up in that dream home, succeed in that job, sunbathe on that vacation. Because the more you feel it, the faster it becomes real. This experience, which won't even take 10 minutes of your day, can make you feel so much more than you currently do. Go ahead, give it a try.